Hey Flutter enthusiasts! Welcome back to Flutt Sky. Today we're exploring one of Flutter's most captivating widgets, Animated Icon. This powerful tool can breathe life into your UI, making your apps not just functional, but delightful to use. Before we begin, if you're passionate about Flutter and want to keep improving your skills, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so that you'll never miss out on our latest tutorials and tips that can elevate your app development game. Let's get back to our video. Animated Icon is a widget that smoothly transitions between two icon states. It's perfect for creating intuitive, responsive interfaces that provide visual feedback to user actions. Here's where Animated Icon truly shines. Toggle buttons like play, pause, expandable menus, search to close transitions. The beauty of Animated Icon lies in its simplicity. Instead of manually creating complex animations, Flutter provides pre-built, smooth transitions between common icon states. Now let's build something cool together. We'll create a music player interface with a play-pause button using Animated Icon. This project will give you a practical understanding of how to implement and customize this widget in your own apps. First, we'll create a stateful widget, and then define a late animation controller and a Boolean value displaying and initialize it to false. Then we initialize our controller in the initState method, and you can change the duration accordingly. I have used a duration of 500 milliseconds. Also make sure you add the single ticker provider mixin. This gives our controller the vsync this value. You should also dispose the controller to avoid memory leaks. Next we create the toggle play pause function that will toggle our play and pause animation, and will also reverse or forward our animation. Now in the body of scaffold I have a container. The child of container is a widget that contains a centered column widget. The column has a music icon of size 80, and using a size box with a height of 20 to make it more catchy. And a text widget now playing Flutter tunes, of size 24, and color white. Then a sized box and an animated icon widget wrapped in a gesture detector that has animated icon play _ pause. We pass the onTap function. We need to pass the controller we created above to this animated icon widget. Icon has a size of 100. Now let's run our app. When you run this app, you'll see a sleek music player interface. Tapping the play icon smoothly transitions it to a pause icon and vice versa. This simple interaction adds a professional touch to your app's user experience. You can always customize these animations to give them more natural feel. Remember Animated Icon, one tool in your Flutter toolkit. Combine it with other widgets like Animated Container or Hero for even more impressive effects. For instance, you could animate the background color of your app as the play state changes, creating a more immersive experience. Before we wrap up, let's talk about performance. Animated Icon is optimized for efficiency, but as with any animation, use it judiciously. Too many animations can overwhelm users and potentially impact app performance. That's it for today. You've learned how to implement Animated Icon, create smooth transitions, and build a dynamic UI. How will you use Animated Icon in your next project? Will you create a custom menu icon, or perhaps a loading indicator? Drop your ideas in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Flutt Sky for more Flutter wizardry. Your support helps us create more content to help you on your Flutter journey. Until next time, keep coding and stay awesome.